Welcome back to The Life of Hair. My name's James Atkinson and this is a little vlog episode today. We are in Amsterdam doing Euro Rack for Redken. So this is day 2 of Rack and this is day 3 of this vlog. I'm going to head over to the L'Oreal Academy, which is very close to where I'm staying, extremely close. Can we see it from here? So the L'Oreal Academy is over here. There's an amazing lady that's come over from America and she's 5 times NAHA winner, and she's going to spend the day teaching us about creating the perfect finish for Instagram.
Out of your comfort zone. How many of you love to finish hair? It's your thing. Okay, awesome. Who is like, please somebody else do it for me? Give it to them. They'll do it. Okay, thank you for your honesty. That's great.
Well, so far we have done a little bit of blow drying this morning. We've talked about application of products and we've got this amazing lady, as I said, that's 5-time NAHA winner. She's over there somewhere teaching us for the morning. These are all the mannequin heads behind me that you can see. A room full of freaky heads for anyone that's never seen a mannequin head like that before. But we're having a little break now. Just got 10 minutes to kind of, you know, refresh, etc. One of the things that she's been teaching us is about wrap drying the roots first, and then going in with a round brush afterwards to smooth it. This obviously you know, creates natural fall with the roots laying naturally, and then using the round brush, a natural round brush like this to smooth the ends out. And you know, it's very important that we get that polished finish on the hair, especially if we're going to take a picture and Instagram our stuff. That is of ultimate importance, something that I need to work on myself, you know, and we all think, you know, we've all got things we need to work on, and mine is definitely finishing.
And who wants to know an idea how you can show your message, your talent, better and better, showing you your hands. Perfect, thank you for that. The first question that I have for you is, why looking for something and watching a tutorial to understand how it works? Is someone here who does that before? The value of that facilitator, the value of that image that you have is going higher and higher. And I think this is one of the goals that we can have, to take care that all the classes that we have face-to-face are full.
How to make videos for social media content, really insightful, really interesting, great pieces of advice, you know, using your mobile phone, etc. to sort of get your foot in the door making content. That's how I started, guys. If any of you guys watching my videos out there think to yourself, oh yeah, I'd really like to give that a go, then get your mobile phone out, watch some YouTube tutorials. In the background here, they're setting up for this afternoon and, you know, reorganizing everything so that hopefully Ruth's blow dry class can run smoothly, because the technical glitch was a power cut. The power went and there was all the hair dryers went out and they just didn't come back on. So a little bit of a delay, most definitely, to this morning's session, but it was all brought back together by the fact that we did Marco's digital class instead.
lot of us are afraid to use product because we don't want it to get too heavy.
Well, that is sort of the end of day one. Sort of. The reason it's sort of the end of day one is because of the power cut we had this morning in Ruth's class. We're back at the hotel room with our mannequin heads from the other day, and we have to blow dry them here so that we can tomorrow morning be judged for the best blow dry smooth and the best curly blow dry. So it's really it's going to be an interesting evening, because I mean I've done hotel room hair before, but never on a mannequin head.